Hello and welcome to our instructional series of videos. In this installment, we're going to show you how to install a compatible Apple or OWC Aura SSD in the OWC Accelsior 1A PCIe card. We've gathered our materials and are working on a soft static free work surface. We're now ready to begin. The first thing we'll need to do is remove this heatsink. To do this, we'll need to flip the Accelsior over and remove these 4 Phillips screws. The heatsink can now be set aside. To install an SSD, you'll first need to remove this Phillips screw. There is a notch in the connector on the SSD that corresponds to a pin on the slot on the card. Align the two and slide them together. Then, secure the drive with the Phillips screw you removed earlier. If your Apple SSD already has a heatsink, such as the drives from many Mac Pro 2013 models, you can skip to the installation. Otherwise, once you have the drive in place, set the Accelsior's heatsink in place over the drive. Then, flip the card over and secure the heatsink with its 4 Phillips screws. Your Accelsior is now ready to install. In this video, we're installing the Accelsior in an OWC Helios, but the same basic instructions apply if you're installing it in any compatible PCIe slot. There is a notch near the front of the PCIe connection on the card that corresponds to a pin in the PCIe slot you're installing into. Align the two and press the card into place until it's seated fully. Then, make sure the slot bracket is secured. Your Accelsior 1A is now ready to format and use.